Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad with mayonnaise without eggs. First, let's talk about selecting the right potatoes for the best texture. You'll want to cook them just right, ensuring they're tender but not falling apart. Then, we'll craft a delicious, creamy dressing that's completely egg-free. Finally, chilling the salad properly is key for flavors to meld beautifully before you serve it. For the best potato salad, start with waxy varieties such as Yukon Gold or red potatoes. They hold their shape well. Boil them in generously salted water until they are fork tender, but be careful not to overcook them. Once cooked, drain and let the potatoes cool completely. This prevents the dressing from becoming watery. Then, dice them into consistent 1-inch pieces. Now, let's create that amazing egg-free dressing. In a large bowl, combine your favorite mayonnaise with a tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a little kick. Stir in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to add a bright tang. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Finally, fold in 1/2 cup of finely diced celery and 1/4 cup of red onion for crunch. With your potatoes cooled and dressing ready, it's time to assemble. Gently fold the creamy dressing into the diced potatoes, ensuring every piece is coated. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want a little more salt or pepper. For the best flavor, cover the salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. Before serving, give it a final stir and garnish with some fresh parsley or chives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.